Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the Assyst Plus Service information. Let's go. First step, push the ignition key, then switch to position 1 and look to the heads-up display and use your buttons of your steering wheel. Use the buttons on top of the steering wheel and have a look at your center TFT and go up and down to the trip setup. Up, down, and there it is. This is the trip. How good. This is the standard main menu, and then push. Now push and hold the OK button and this cell phone button on top for 3 seconds. Oh, and at your heads-up display, there will comes the garage screen. Now you are able to get more insight, deeper inside your engine and your car information system. Now go to Assyst Plus, and there you are able to reset it. For this you have to go to ignition number 2 and then service A, reset, and you are going to see how long the service is past or other informations, and then you're able to go to service, and then you are going to make the service by yourself. And if you confirm this, the service is clear and you are able to go back on the street again for another service, kilometers, power. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.